Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Today we are going to learn about a topic called as quadratic equations, which is part of NCERT as well as CBSE. Under NCERT it is exercise 10.1 question number 1 8-bit. Under CBSE it is exercise 4.1 question number 1 8-bit. I'm your trainer Venkatesh K. Welcome to the session. So here we will have to simplify this particular given expression x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals x minus 2 whole cube is the given expression. We will have to find the simplified equation of this and check whether that particular equation is quadratic or not. This is the problem about. Now, how to approach the solution? So here we see that in LHS there is x cube term, 4x square term, x and also 1. So all these terms cannot be simplified further until we simplify the RHS. So because all the terms are unlike terms, that is one term contains x cube, one more term contains x square, one more term contains x, and one more term is a constant term, so these cannot be added or subtracted. So now we will come to how to simplify the RHS. So here we see that the RHS is in the form a minus b whole cube, that is it is resembling a algebraic expression a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here if we observe and compare the LHS of the algebraic expression with the x minus 2 whole cube which is given, so we see that wherever there is a there is x and wherever there is b there is 2. That is, here we see that a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Now if this particular algebraic expression is to be applied to RHS, so we will have to substitute x in terms of a and b in terms of 2. Now we will see how to simplify that. That is, LHS would remain as it is, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. All the terms of LHS would remain as it is. Now coming to RHS, so this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So how to simplify this further? We see that x cube term and x cube term on LHS and also on RHS both are having coefficient 1, so this would get cancelled. Now we would be left with minus 4x square minus x plus 1 on LHS. Similarly, minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 3 2s are 6, followed by x, that is minus 6x, and x minus 2 within the bracket. Now in order to simplify this further, LHS would remain as it is now because all are unlike terms as we had discussed earlier. Minus 8 would remain as it is. Now if you open the brackets for minus 6x into x minus 2, so we would get minus into plus is minus, 6x into x is 6x square. So minus into minus is plus, 6 2s are 12, followed by x. So now we see that on LHS there is x square term and on RHS also there is x square term. There is x term on LHS and an x term on RHS also, and both are consisting of one constant term also. Now if all the terms of RHS are transposed towards LHS, then what happens? The terms of LHS would remain as it is, that is minus 4x square as it is, minus x as it is, and plus 1 as it is. Now what happens to the terms of RHS? Minus 6x square upon transpose would become plus 6x square, plus 12x upon transpose towards LHS would become minus 12x, minus 8 upon transpose towards the LHS would become plus 8. So now there are three sets of like terms, that is 4x square and 6x square, x and 12x, also 1 and 8. So if you simplify, what happens is 6x square minus 4x square would become plus 2x square, minus x minus 12x would become minus 13x, 1 plus 8 is 9. So we see that this is the simplified equation which cannot be further simplified. So and the highest exponent of the variable x in this case is 2. So which means what? So which means this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Thank you.